Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert, and today I'm going to show you how you can print Excel titles on every page and not just the first one. In this spreadsheet, I have a long list of times and temperatures, and in row 1 I have labels, which is great. But if I press Control P and look at the print preview, I go to the second page and I don't see those titles, so that could be confusing if I were to print this out. I'm going to press Escape to go back to my spreadsheet. To get those titles to print on every page and not just the first one, I'm going to go to the page layout area up at the top and click Print Titles under Page Setup. Here I can tell Excel which rows to repeat at the top as well as which columns to repeat at the left if I had a spreadsheet going horizontally from left to right with titles on the left. But in this case, we just need rows at the top. So I'll click in that field, and then I'll click the button to the right and select row 1. Then I'll click that little button again, and you'll see that it has an absolute reference to row 1. And so let's click Print Preview from here to see if that works. If I scroll down, I see that those titles are now on page 1 and page 2. So I'll press Escape, and I'll just check Print Titles again to make sure that change was saved. It was, so I'll click OK. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to print labels on all of the sheets in Microsoft Excel instead of just the first page.